Good evening, everyone. Welcome to coding class. Am I audible to everyone? Yes, show me a thumbs up if I'm audible. So we are going to make one app. Okay, we are going to make one app. I'll just show you what kind of app we are making today. Okay, so I'll show you in my mobile phone. Fine. See what is happening. There is this tag. There is this bunny here. There is this bunny. So we have this bunny is here. Okay, and when this bunny is wandering on the screen. Okay, it is going here and there on the screen, right? And just a minute. And there are 4 types of food here. There is a cupcake, then this is a another kind of a cupcake, and then there is this then he's wandering all over the screen, and on the screen there are 4 types of food. Okay, 4 foods are there. One is the cupcake, the other one is another type of cake, and then there is this watermelon is there, then watermelon is there, and one carrot is there. So everyone can see that 4 types of foods are there. Okay, and this bunny is wandering all around the screen. Okay, when he touches the healthy food, the healthy foods here are this watermelon and carrot. When he touches carrot and watermelon, then it is written on the screen healthy food and you can eat. And when it touches on this cupcake or this one, this another kind of cake, then it says that it is an unhealthy food and you cannot eat it. You are understanding what we are making? So on the screen there are basically 5 actors are there. One is the bunny, and there are 4 food. 2 are healthy and 2 are unhealthy. When the bunny touches the healthy food, it is written on the screen healthy food you can eat. And when the bunny touches the unhealthy food, which is these 2 kind of cakes, then it says that this is unhealthy food and you cannot touch it. Also, when he touches the healthy food, then the screen turns into green color. And when he touches any of the unhealthy food, then the screen turns into red color. You understand? So this is a simple app we are making wherein there are four kinds of food on the screen. When the bunny is touching any of the healthy food, then the screen goes green and it says that this is healthy food and you can eat. And when the bunny touches any of the unhealthy food, the screen turns into red color and it says that it is unhealthy food, you cannot eat it. So the very first step is similar to what we have already done. We'll be working on code.org. Okay, so the step says that you have to open any of the browser. Okay, I'm opening this browser. Now in the address bar, I will write code.org. Okay, you just write down, whosoever is new to the class, you just write down that we are working on the platform code.org. Okay, you press code.org and press enter. Okay, so we have entered inside code.org. Okay, fine. On the right hand side there is a create button. Everyone can see on the top right corner there is a create button. Okay, next step is you have to click on the create button. Okay, and you have to click on Sprite Lab. Okay, so these were the 4 sprites that we put up on the screen. One was bunny, and there are pictures of 4 kind of food items. So all of them were different sprites. Okay, उनको क्या बोल रहे हैं अलग अलग food items को और bunny को हम क्या बोल रहे हैं sprite बोल. They are different kinds of sprites. So I'll click on Sprite Lab. Okay, click on Sprite Lab. Fine. Now we already have a bunny in the center of the screen, right? We already have bunny in the center of the screen. Now what we'll be doing is we are going to have 4 more sprites. Okay, 4 more sprites, as in what would be the sprites? One is the watermelon, the other one is the carrot, the third one is this cupcake, and the fourth one is the donut. Okay, and from these 4 food items, 2 are healthy and 2 are unhealthy, or 2 are junk food. Okay, so we are going to have 4 sprites first of all. Fine. From this bunny we already have, we want 4 more sprites. So to take 4 more sprites, we'll click on these sprites. कहाँ पे click करेंगे? कौन से block में click करेंगे? Sprite block में. Okay, because we are taking more sprites, so I'll click on the sprite block. All right, and then we will take make new sprite. We'll take this 4 more times because we want 4 block for each food items. Okay, so I'm taking make new 4 times. Okay, so one is for bunny and the other 4 are for the 4 food items that we are going to take, right? So in the second one, we'll have to change it to, let's make it watermelon. Okay, the second would be the watermelon. What would be the third sprite? The third sprite would be, just go on more, just we can take this cake. Okay, cupcake. Second would be the cupcake. Third, just a minute. Third, we are taking carrot. Okay, and what is the fourth one that we are taking? The donut. Can you see donut here? Donut is not here, so we'll click on more. Okay, and then in this food category, we have click on the food category, choose this donut. Okay, when you choose this donut, then it will come in this come in this this screen which is showing up. The very first icon is the donut. Okay, so we'll select donut from here. You've understood? So one bunny was already there. Now we have taken 4 more items, or we call it as sprite. Okay, so 4 more sprites we have taken. One is the watermelon, which is a healthy food. Third one is the cupcake, which is unhealthy. Fourth one is the carrot, which is again healthy. And the fifth sprite is a donut, which is unhealthy. Okay, so we have taken 5 sprites in all. One is the bunny, which will be wandering on the screen, moving on the screen. And there are 4 food items. 2 items are healthy and 2 are unhealthy. I have taken 4 food items. You can take more than 4 also. Okay, so on the screen, how you can take more food items also. Okay, fine. I am showing you example of only 4 food items. From these 4 food items, 2 are healthy and 2 are unhealthy. Okay, so now we have to change the location. Can you see that all sprites are coming one over the other? एक के ऊपर एक सारे sprites आ रहे हैं, but we want to change their location so that they are properly visible. Right now, all the sprites are one over the other. That is why you are not able to see them properly, right? Here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll have to change the location of these 4 sprites. Bunny would remain on the same location, and we will change the location of the rest of the 4 sprites. Food items का जो हम location है वो हम change करेंगे. Okay, and how we are going to do that? Just click on this key. Everyone can see यहाँ पे key दिख रही है यहाँ पर. हर sprite के आगे end में there is a key. Right, so this is to set the location of this particular sprite. I'll press on this key. Okay, and I can adjust this item anywhere I want. Suppose I want to adjust it here, so I'll click it here like this. It is adjusted. Now I want to adjust the cupcake. Again, I will click on this key and I can adjust the cupcake here. Fine. Again, for carrot, I'll click on this key and I can adjust the location of the carrot here. Now I will adjust the location of this cupcake here. Fine. All right. So what we have done right now, we have just put all these sprites in the perfect location so that they are clearly visible. Understood? Everyone has understood till here? Okay, so what we have done, we have taken 5 sprites. One is the bunny and the other are the 4 food items. Okay, Amongst these food items, there are 2 healthy food and 2 unhealthy food. The purpose of our app is that the bunny is going to move on the screen, and when he touches any of the healthy food, then the screen will turn into green color and it will be written on the screen, this is healthy food and you can eat it. Okay. And when the bunny touches any of the unhealthy food, like in this case, we have donut and cupcake. So here what will happen? The screen will turn into red, and what will be written on the screen? Unhealthy food and you cannot eat it. Understood? Fine. Now I have adjusted the location of all these sprites, right? Now what I will do, I want the bunny to move on the screen. I want the bunny to move on the screen. So I'll go on this behavior block. Everyone can see that behavior block is there. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th block, right? 6th block में जाएंगे behavior block में, and we'll take this block. Sprite begins. So sprite bunny begins. Again go on the behavior block. Okay, and just scroll it down. So we want this bunny to wander on the screen. Understood? Fine. So it says when run on the top. The very top block is when run. So when run, what will happen? You will be able to see these 5 sprites plus the sprite bunny. Bunny will start wandering on the screen. Okay, let's check whether it is working till here or not. Okay, we'll click on this run button just to check whether our app is working as per the direction that we have given. Just click on the run button. See, the bunny is wandering on the screen. Yes. So till here our app, the blocks, the code that we have written, it is working fine. Understood? So I'll explain once again. Till here what we have done, we have made 5 sprites. Okay, we have adjusted their locations, and then I have taken this block, the sprite begins. I have gone on the behavior block and sprite begins wandering. So this is the block which I have taken from the behavior block. Understood everyone? So according to the code, our bunny has started wandering on the screen. We can check that out also. Right? Everyone can see that? All right. So we'll do the coding further. Okay. Now what we will do, now I also want that I would be able to move the bunny using the arrow keys on my keyboard. Okay, so there are 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. One is to move up, the other one is to move down, the left one is to move on the left, the right one is to move on the right. So we have 4 arrow keys on the keyboard. Everyone can see that we have four arrow keys are there that you usually use to play games also, right? तो वो 4 arrow keys से क्या होता है, आप जब ऊपर वाली arrow key प्रेस करते हो तो आप नॉर्थ में जाते हो, जब आप नीचे वाली की प्रेस करते हो एरो की तो आप साउथ में जाते हो, जब आप लेफ्ट वाली एरो की प्रेस करते हो तो आप लेफ्ट में वेस्ट में जाते हो, जब आप राइट वाली एरो की प्रेस करते हो तो आप ईस्ट में जाते हो. दिस इज हाउ इट हैपेंस, राइट? सो अब मैं क्या करूंगी, मुझे चाहिए कि मैं जब एरो की प्रेस करूं तो बनी उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही मूव करे. Okay, so it will wander on the screen, but it should move according to the arrow that I'll be pressing. Okay, so next block would be, again we will go on the event block. Now we'll go on the event block and we'll just take this block. When sorry, just a minute. When up press, this the very first block we will be taking. When up pressed, when up pressed, then what will happen? It should move. It should move when up arrow key is pressed. It should move in the north. Okay. When down arrow key is pressed, it should move in the south. So for four arrow keys, we will have to take 4 blocks. Understanding everyone? For 4 arrow keys, we'll be making 4 coding. 4 code lines we'll be doing for 4 arrow keys, right? So when we press the up arrow key, then what will happen? We'll go on the action block. We want the bunny to move 10 pixels to the north. Okay. And again, so this code we'll be making 4 times, one for going up, one for going down, one for using the up arrow key, one for using the down arrow key, one for using the left arrow key, one for using the right arrow key. Okay, again we will take the same block. When, we'll go on events, when. So instead of up, this time we will select down arrow key. So just click on this arrow and take down. Okay. Now again go on action and move bunny 10 pixel to, so instead of north here, we'll click on south. Okay. Again we will take these 2 blocks for left arrow key and right arrow key also. Okay. So again go on event, take when. For up and down we have already done. Now we'll be doing for left. So for left, again go on action, move bunny 10 pixel. So for left, I want the bunny to move to east. Okay, sorry, west. Fine. So these are the 4 codes that we are using for 4 arrow keys. So when I will press the above arrow key, so the bunny will move to the north. उसको चारों तरफ घुमाने के लिए हम ये 4 steps लिख रहे हैं. All right. So for the right arrow key, we'll again go on event, when right is pressed, right arrow key is pressed, then what will happen? Again go on action and move bunny to the east. Okay. Fine. So for 4 arrow keys, I have taken these 4 blocks. Understood, everyone? Till here, everyone has understood. Now what we will do? Now we will have to code for, the, when the bunny will touch any of these food items, the screen should change into red or green respectively, and it should be written whether the food item is healthy or unhealthy. So we'll be making a code for that now. Okay, so let's begin. So again, we'll go on event. Okay, we will take this one, the 3rd block. When bunny touches, let's code for carrot first. Okay, so when bunny touches carrot, then what will happen? The background color should turn into green, right? So we'll go on word block पे जाएंगे और यहाँ पे background color आएगा. Second block इसको pick करेंगे. Okay, so when bunny touches the carrot, then what will happen? The background color should turn into, it should turn into green. Okay, so here we will select the green color. Just a minute. So we'll select the green color here. Just a minute. Let's adjust this. So here, all right. Then we also want that the color of carrot should also change to green. Okay, so we want the color, again we'll go on the action block, change color of, the very first block we'll be taking, change color of, and from here we'll click on this arrow, change color of carrot to green. Here we'll select the color green. Okay, just a minute. We'll select the color green from here, and here also we will select green. So what should happen? When the bunny touches carrot, then the background color should turn into green. Also, the color of carrot should become green because carrot is a healthy food, right? Now it should also be written on the screen that it is a healthy food and you can eat. So we'll go on this text block. We'll go on this text block because we want to something to be written on the screen. So we'll go on text block and show title. This fourth block we'll be taking and we'll adjust it here. Okay, and what should be written in title? We will write healthy food. Let's write in capital letter. Healthy food. And in subtitle, it should be written, you can eat. Understood? So when bunny touches the carrot, then the background color will turn into green. Also, the color of carrot will turn into green. And what should be written on the screen? The title, it should be written healthy food and you can eat. Okay, so this code we have to write for every food item. Okay, for every food item, we'll have to write this code. You are understanding, everyone? So we'll write this for, we have written it for carrot. We have already written for carrot. Now we'll be writing for, we'll write the code for the other 3 food items. Okay, so again, we'll go on event. When we'll take this block, when bunny touches. So instead of carrot, this time we will take donut. Okay, so when bunny touches the donut, what should happen? We'll go on the word block, set background color to red because donut is an unhealthy food. So here we'll select the red background color, right? And then we'll go on actions. Okay, change color of, so the color of donut should change to red. We'll select donut from here. Okay, and what should be written on the screen? The title should be, we'll go on text and the title we'll take here, this title block, and we'll adjust it here. And here, what should be written? Unhealthy food, or in the subtitle we'll write, you cannot eat. Okay, so we have written the code for this donut also, right? Now we'll make the code for this cupcake. Okay, again go on event. When we'll take this third block. So now we are coding for the cupcake. So when bunny touches, from here we'll select the cupcake. Okay, the same code I am doing for all 4 food items. We'll again go on word and set background to, so cupcake is an unhealthy food, set the background should be set to red. Okay, and then we'll go on action and the color of this cupcake should turn into red. From here we'll select the cupcake. Okay, and what should be written on the screen? We'll go on the text block and we'll take this block. What should be written on the screen? Title should be, it is a unhealthy food and you cannot eat. Okay, now we will do the same code. We'll again go on event. Okay, we'll take this block and now we'll be coding for what is left? Watermelon is left. Okay, so when bunny touches, from here we'll take the watermelon. So when bunny is touching the watermelon, we'll go on word block. So the background should be set to green because it is a healthy food. Okay, and we'll go on action. Color of this watermelon should turn into green. Here we'll set the background as green. The color of this watermelon should also turn into green. And what should be the title? The title should be that this is a, we'll take this block and we'll put here, this is a healthy food, and in subtitle we will write you can eat. Okay, fine. Now let's start it. We click on the run button to check whether it is working fine or not. Click on the run button. See, when the bunny touches the watermelon, the screen turns into green. See, can you see that? So when bunny is touching any of the healthy food, then the screen turns into green and it is written healthy food. When the bunny is touching any of the unhealthy food, then the screen turns into red and it says it is a unhealthy food. See, our code is working fine. Clear to everyone? Yes. Now I want one more thing. I want that bunny should stop working as and when I click on bunny. Okay, as in when I click on bunny, it should stop doing anything. Like it should stop actually. So we'll put one more code here. We'll put one more code here. So we'll go on event. When bunny click, we'll take this code. When bunny click, when bunny is clicked, what should happen? We'll go on behavior. The bunny stops everything. Okay, so this also we will add. Again, we will reset it. We'll click on run. See now what is happening. When I click on bunny, see what happens. When I click on bunny, the bunny will stop working. See, I clicked on bunny and it stops working. Like it stops moving on the screen. So whenever bunny is touching any of the healthy food, the screen turns into green and it says healthy food you can eat. And when bunny touches any of the unhealthy food, the screen turns into red and it says that it is unhealthy food and you cannot eat. Okay,